Hello everyone. Welcome to College Dunia's Thoughts and Education. Today we have Ms. Shairi Shadat, Head of Incubation Sale of Swami Vivekananda Institute of Management and Computer Science, Kolkata. A warm welcome to you, ma'am. Ma'am, it's my pleasure. So before I move on to the Q&A part, I would request you to introduce yourself to the viewers.
I am Shairi Sadat. I am here as an assistant professor in human resource management and also the head of incubation cell. I have experience in industry as well as in academics as well. And I have done my master's from ISWPM, Kolkata, under University of Calcutta. And I'm doing my research under the same university.
Ma'am, now if I talk about the best practices that is offered by the department to the students, which help them to gain the necessary skills, what are those?
As you can see, there is a lot of programs that we give to our students to help them build their career in MBA as well as after MBA what they can do. And also, we are very much focused on innovative ideas. We help the students to come up with new ideas where they can learn. We can help them to, see what are the variations that they can have after this MBA course, because MBA is a field where we learn a lot. It's not about any specific specialization that marketing or finance or HR. We learn everything a bit. We always encourage our students to come up with new business ideas. So like we have programs like Biznovit, where students come up with business ideas, and we help them to to see what kind of execution they can do with not only have a business idea, but how they can execute these programs afterwards.
Ma'am, my next questions to you would be that how do you tend to establish a healthy relationship with the students as well as the fellow faculty?
See, the environment here is very positive, and we encourage students to work in team so that we are, we see that how well they can perform in a group, as well as we are creating a positive environment so that all of us can discuss openly. So that is one of the very plus point of this institute. Also, I would say that the faculty as well as the students are very much cooperative, and they help to build an inclusive environment in this institute. So that is a very plus point of this institute.
Ma'am, now can you please tell us about some extracurricular activities that SVIMCA is providing to the students apart from the studies?
Yes. So see, there are a lot of things happening all the year. So we have our graduation day. That is a very big program that is organized by the institute, as well as we have Biznovit, as I've told you, where students come up with business ideas. We see how innovative they are and how compatible they are into the new standards of the industry. Also, there is a sports day. We celebrate a sports day of 2-3 days, and there are other few programs that are already taking place within the year.
Great, ma'am. Ma'am, my last questions to you that what advice you want to give to the students who want to studies in MBA or in SVIMCAs in future?
So see, nowadays what you need is you have to be confident in what you want to do in the future. I feel the students are not concerned enough that what should I do after this course. So they should focus on something that yes, I'll do this and I'll achieve this after few years. So their confidence is the key. But obviously, I'll say that a positive attitude within yourself and hard work will always be your key to success. So that's all.
Great words, ma'am. Ma'am, it's been a pleasure to have you with us today.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much from College Dunia Soul.
Thank you.